Get some of that down your love. You know what I mean, love? Have a bit of that.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now, on the menu for you guys today, what I'm going to be making is something called Gheymeh Nesar. Okay, I've made a traditional Gheymeh before, where it's basically a stew, where you obviously have it separately, like you have it with rice, but it comes in separate. Whereas this one, it's kind of like together. It's like a layer. It'll be a layer of rice, a layer of the stew, and some presentation on top, basically. Stay tuned and let's see how it goes. But before we do any of that, I need you guys to smash the subscribe button, hit the share, and comment and like and all that good stuff. Stay tuned. So to begin with, we've got a potato. We're gonna dice up into thin bits to make chips out of it. Okay? Make it into nice thin slices. Okay. Do you know what this? Yeah. What I'm going to do is going to put this in some cold water. So now the actual cooking begins. Put that on there. Put a bit of olive oil. Just add some cubed lamb or beef, whichever you prefer. Let it fry in the pan. We're going to empty out the oil and then add some water in that. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's cooked. What I'm going to do is add some water in there. I might add a little bit more if I need to. Let it boil for about an hour or so and then come back and add some ingredients into it. What I'm going to do is marinate it. Pinch of salt. Oh, what is it? Pinch of pepper. Bit of turmeric. Okay. And then this lovely, oh wow, that's a big chunk. Persian, Persian golden dust, if you will. Right. Then a pinch of olive oil again, just a little bit. Followed by a pinch of tomato puree. Okay, not too much since we ain't got too much meat, you know, and you just want to pour some water in there and all. Again, you want to marinate the whole thing, right? You can top up the water, put it in, take it out, whatever, you know. Just make sure it's a bit juicy and not so dry. So get that going, let that sit in there for, I would say, another 20 minutes, half an hour. Okay, keep an eye on it. If it needs water, top it up. Meanwhile, once that's going, we're gonna turn on the rice. There you are, put that on there. I'm gonna add some olive oil. I've already drained it a few times, put some salt in there, add some olive oil. Bob's your uncle, mate. Well, I thought since you guys seen what's inside here, I'll just switch these to about. Bring that here so you guys can see. Hide that one for a little bit. Turn that one slightly down. Turn this one to the max. Right, we're I think good to go. So what I'm going to do is gently, but not so gently, put the chips in. Right. Let that all go in there. And I'm gonna put the lid on that as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, my chips are ready. I just turned it off. That's the situation on our rice. That is, if you can see, maybe not, our stew is still going on. I've turned this off. So let me just quickly show you guys what it's looking like. There you are. Just so you guys can see. That is our stew. So I'm gonna let it go a little bit more just because it's too juicy. Like, see all of that? It needs to I want the stew, the sauce to be a bit thicker, not so runny. This is saffron and water. I'm gonna make some saffron rice with it. I'm only gonna make a small bit just to dribble on top, so it's not like a huge amount. Did put in quite a bit of water in there, so let it all soak it up. That's it, job done. This is ready to go on our dish at the very end. So I'll put this onto a side, turn that off now. Let this just chill, that's fine. Get your rice. And just pour it in, right? Sorry guys, it's a bit difficult with the situation I'm in. But there you go, that's that. Tidy up all around, okay? So get it to sit right in the middle, in the center of your plate. Pat it down. Okay. It doesn't have to be this thick. I'm just putting all in the rice, you know. You guys ready? Boom! Look at that. Look at that. Okay. You still got a bit of sauce there, it's a bit dry, which is great, that's what you want. You don't want it to be too juicy to go all over the place, right? Just give it a final mix. Guys, what you know about this, eh? Right, now, let me not make a mess here. The splashing of this did do its job though. Splashed onto my plate, guys. Can you believe it? Anyway, here's what you want to do. Can you guys see or not? Is that better? Yeah? Can you guys see? Just gently and slowly put your meat on top of your rice. Put the last bit of sauce in. Beautiful. Now, get rid of that out of the way. Got your chips, okay, homemade fries, and just sprinkle it on top. It's all nice and crispy, guys. There you are, bon appetit. You can have some on the side or whatever, it's entirely up to you, but I'm not going to bother with that. So, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. That is your Gheymeh Nesar. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Guys, I'm sorry, it's not the end of the video. I totally forgot. We got this. That's funny, isn't it? Just sprinkle some on top. Okay. Okay. Some of that lovely, lovely yellow rice. What you can do if you want to be so professional about it, not professional, just, you know, sort out your presentation and all of that. You know what I mean? Get some of that down here, love. You know what I mean, love? Have a bit of that. Yeah? So get that going. Because obviously somebody's going to eat this. Might be you, might not be you. Might be me, might not be me. I don't know. Do you? There you are, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, that that is your Gheymeh Nesar. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come